Spell B words for grade 1 kids. What are green plants that cover the ground in lawns? The answer is grass. The correct spelling is G-R-A-S-S. What farm animal is known for climbing and having horns? The answer is goat. The correct spelling is G-O-A-T. What is a big cat known as the king of the jungle? The answer is lion. The correct spelling is L-I-O-N. What is a bird's home made from twigs and leaves? The answer is nest. The correct spelling is N-E-S-T. What is a bright color like the sun? The answer is yellow. The correct spelling is Y-E-L-L-O-W. What is a bright point of light in the night sky? The answer is star. The correct spelling is S-T-A-R. What is a building where people live? The answer is house. The correct spelling is H-O-U-S-E. What is a circular band worn on the finger? The answer is ring. The correct spelling is R-I-N-G. What is a clear liquid essential for all living things? The answer is water. The correct spelling is W-A-T-E-R. What is a colored liquid used for writing or printing? The answer is ink. The correct spelling is I-N-K. What is a container used to hold flowers? The answer is vase. The correct spelling is V-A-S-E. What is a container with a handle for holding liquids? The answer is jug. The correct spelling is J-U-G. What is a container with flat sides and a lid? The answer is box. The correct spelling is B-O-X. What is a device that produces light? The answer is lamp. The correct spelling is L-A-M-P. What is a device that tells the time? The answer is clock. The correct spelling is C-L-O-C-K. What is a farm animal known for its snout and oinking? The answer is pig. The correct spelling is P-I-G. What is a farm animal raised for milk and meat? The answer is cow. The correct spelling is C-O-W. What is a female child? The answer is girl. The correct spelling is G-I-R-L. What is a female ruler or the wife of a king? The answer is queen. The correct spelling is Q-U-E-E-N. What is a flat, green part of a plant or tree? The answer is leaf. The correct spelling is L-E-A-F. What is a fragrant flower with thorns and petals? The answer is rose. The correct spelling is R-O-S-E. What is a glass container with a lid, often used for storing food? The answer is jar. The correct spelling is J-A-R. What is a hard-shelled fruit often eaten as a snack? The answer is nut. The correct spelling is N-U-T. What is a head covering worn for warmth or fashion? The answer is hat. The correct spelling is H-A-T. What is a large animal known for running and being ridden? The answer is horse. The correct spelling is H-O-R-S-E. What is a large bird of prey with sharp talons and keen eyesight? The answer is eagle. The correct spelling is E-A-G-L-E. What is a large boat used for traveling on water? The answer is ship. The correct spelling is S-H-I-P. What is a large vehicle used for transporting goods or people? The answer is van. The correct spelling is V-A-N. What is a large, heavy animal with thick fur? The answer is bear. The correct spelling is B-E-A-R. What is a large, striped wild cat? The answer is tiger. The correct spelling is T-I-G-E-R. What is a long, legless reptile? The answer is snake. The correct spelling is S-N-A-K-E. What is a loyal pet known for barking and wagging its tail? The answer is dog. The correct spelling is D-O-G. What is a male ruler of a country or kingdom? The answer is king. The correct spelling is K-I-N-G. What is a mountain that erupts with lava and ash? The answer is volcano. The correct spelling is V-O-L-C-A-N-O. What is a musical instrument played by hitting it with sticks or hands? The answer is drum. The correct spelling is D-R-U-M. What is a musical instrument with wooden bars? The answer is xylophone. The correct spelling is X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. What is a mythical horse-like animal with a single horn on its forehead? The answer is unicorn. The correct spelling is U-N-I-C-O-R-N. What is a nocturnal bird known for its hooting sound? The answer is owl. The correct spelling is O-W-L. What is a piece of furniture for sitting? The answer is chair. The correct spelling is C-H-A-I-R. What is a piece of land surrounded by water? The answer is island. The correct spelling is I-S-L-A-N-D. What is a place where birds lay their eggs and raise their young? The answer is nest. The correct spelling is N-E-S-T. What is a playful animal with a long tail? The answer is monkey. The correct spelling is M-O-N-K-E-Y. What is a purple vegetable with a spongy texture? The answer is eggplant. The correct spelling is E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. What is a red or green fruit that is sweet and crunchy? The answer is apple. The correct spelling is A-P-P-L-E. What is a reptile with a hard shell that lives in water or on land? The answer is turtle. The correct spelling is T-U-R-T-L-E. What is a rodent larger than a mouse, often found in cities? The answer is rat. The correct spelling is R-A-T. What is a round object used in games and sports? The answer is ball. The correct spelling is B-A-L-L. What is a round, citrus fruit with a tough skin? The answer is orange. The correct spelling is O-R-A-N-G-E. What is a sea creature with 8 arms? The answer is octopus. The correct spelling is O-C-T-O-P-U-S. What is a series of connected cars that travel on tracks? The answer is train. The correct spelling is T-R-A-I-N. What is a set of written or printed pages bound together? The answer is book. The correct spelling is B-O-O-K. What is a small domesticated animal with soft fur and a tail? The answer is cat. The correct spelling is C-A-T. What is a small insect that lives in colonies? The answer is ant. The correct spelling is A-N-T. What is a small rodent with a long tail? The answer is mouse. The correct spelling is M-O-U-S-E. What is a small tool used to open locks? The answer is key. The correct spelling is K-E-Y. What is a source of heat and light made by burning? The answer is fire. The correct spelling is F-I-R-E. What is a stringed musical instrument played with a bow? The answer is violin. The correct spelling is V-I-O-L-I-N. What is a sweet frozen treat made from cream and sugar? The answer is ice cream. The correct spelling is I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. What is a sweet spread made from fruit and sugar? The answer is jam. The correct spelling is J-A-M. What is a sweet, gelatinous food made from fruit juice? The answer is jelly. The correct spelling is J-E-L-L-Y. What is a table used for writing or working? The answer is desk. The correct spelling is D-E-S-K. What is a tall plant with a trunk, branches, and leaves? The answer is tree. The correct spelling is T-R-E-E. What is a thick, warm cover for a bed? The answer is quilt. The correct spelling is Q-U-I-L-T. What is a tool for writing or drawing, made of wood and graphite? The answer is pencil. The correct spelling is P-E-N-C-I-L. What is a tool used for writing with ink? The answer is pen. The correct spelling is P-E-N. What is a tool used to protect against rain or sun? The answer is umbrella. The correct spelling is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. What is a tool with a sharp blade used for chopping? The answer is axe. The correct spelling is A-X. What is a toy shaped like a human figure? The answer is doll. The correct spelling is D-O-L-L. What is a toy that flies in the wind on a string? The answer is kite. The correct spelling is K-I-T-E. What is a vast body of salt water that covers much of the Earth's surface? The answer is ocean. The correct spelling is O-C-E-A-N. What is a vehicle used to travel into space? The answer is rocket. The correct spelling is R-O-C-K-E-T. What is a vehicle with 4 wheels used for transportation? The answer is car. The correct spelling is C-A-R. What is a warm bed cover made of stitched fabric? The answer is quilt. The correct spelling is Q-U-I-L-T. What is a water bird with webbed feet and a quacking sound? The answer is duck. The correct spelling is D-U-C-K. What is a wild animal that is similar to a dog and howls? The answer is wolf. The correct spelling is W-O-L-F. What is a wild animal with a bushy tail and sharp ears? The answer is fox. The correct spelling is F-O-X. What is a wild animal with black and white stripes? The answer is zebra. The correct spelling is Z-E-B-R-A. What is a young cat? The answer is kitten. The correct spelling is K-I-T-T-E-N. What is a young pig? The answer is piglet. The correct spelling is P-I-G-L-E-T. What is a young sheep? The answer is lamb. The correct spelling is L-A-M-B. What is an activity played for fun or competition? The answer is game. The correct spelling is G-A-M-E. What is an amphibian with long legs for jumping? The answer is frog. The correct spelling is F-R-O-G. What is an amphibian with smooth skin and long legs for jumping? The answer is frog. The correct spelling is F-R-O-G. What is an aquatic animal that swims and breathes underwater? The answer is fish. The correct spelling is F-I-S-H. What is an insect known for making honey and stinging? The answer is bee. The correct spelling is B-E-E. What is an object that attracts iron and some other materials? The answer is magnet. The correct spelling is M-A-G-N-E-T. What is an opening in a wall that lets in light and air? The answer is window. The correct spelling is W-I-N-D-O-W. What is an oval object laid by birds, often eaten as food? The answer is egg. The correct spelling is E-G-G. What is frozen water that is cold and slippery? The answer is ice. The correct spelling is I-C-E. What is moving air that can be felt? The answer is wind. The correct spelling is W-I-N-D. What is the natural satellite that orbits the Earth? The answer is moon. The correct spelling is M-O-O-N. What is the organ used for hearing? The answer is ear. The correct spelling is E-A-R. What is the part of the body at the end of the arm? The answer is hand. The correct spelling is H-A-N-D. What is the part of the face used for smelling and breathing? The answer is nose. The correct spelling is N-O-S-E. What is the star at the center of our solar system? The answer is sun. The correct spelling is S-U-N. What is the yellow part of an egg? The answer is yolk. The correct spelling is Y-O-L-K. What large animal has a trunk and big ears? The answer is elephant. The correct spelling is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. What means beneath or below something? The answer is under. The correct spelling is U-N-D-E-R. What means making little or no noise? The answer is quiet. The correct spelling is Q-U-I-E-T. What means moving toward a higher place or position? The answer is up. The correct spelling is U